We get some incredibly rare and hard to find vehicles in Acklam every single day. Now, if you can go find me a Tourneo custom 8-seater with only 11,000 miles on in this condition, it is impossible. You cannot do it. 23 registrations, only 11,400 miles, 8-seat Tourneo custom. It's the 320 long wheelbase titanium. On top of that, it's a 2-litre diesel, 170 PS, automatic. Inside, outside, everything about this vehicle has been extremely well kept. Now, if you have a look in the market, to my knowledge, there's only another one available, and it has done significantly more miles. If you look at any of the others, they've done 50, 60, 70,000 miles. This has done only 11 and a half. Finished in Moondust Silver, with it being a titanium, you've got exterior styling, interior features, but these are an incredibly practical and functional vehicle. So if you have a large family and you need an 8-seater, for one, there's very few vehicles you can go and buy, but usually something like this, like I said, will have done 50, 60, 70,000 miles. With that then comes more wear and tear. The condition isn't the same, but this has done only 11,400 miles and it has been incredibly well kept. Now, 8-seaters will be, you might have a large family, and if so, then you have 2 rows of 3. Now, to get into the back is really straightforward. Usually on some of these vehicles, it's quite hard. Literally 2 buttons. Now, you have plenty of leg space in the back, so irrelevant of who is traveling where, this is just a dead flexible vehicle. Now, you have middle row climate control as well, so air conditioning through the middle. There's loads of different heating around there. Charging sockets as well, so if you do have the smaller children or even your adults come with tablets and phones and need chargers, that is going to be flexible. The seating configuration as well, so the 2 middle seats of either row, you can slide them down, you have extra cup holders and storage, but I'll show you that when we go round to the back. Now, the 2-litre diesel 170 is firstly incredibly responsive, secondly it's great on fuel, but it's also an engine that has been tried and tested. It's been with Ford for quite a long time, but it's a very, very good engine. Rear view camera as well. Towbar has already been installed. Now, another thing that this vehicle will fix is if you need an 8-seater, usually you'll finish at a 7-seater because there's not many 8-seaters out there and the boots aren't great. Have a look at the size of that storage space. So if you have a large family, what will come with that family is items, suitcases, shopping, school runs. And if you have that small boot, it's going to cause you problems. That there is the most flexible boot you will get on top of the seat configuration. Tow bar on top, so if you need to add a, I don't know, you might have a bike rack, you may have a trailer, a caravan, whatever it might be. The 320 is going to give you the payload that you would want, so that's the highest payload you can get on the Tourneo Custom, but then you've got that diesel 170 as well, so good engine, very responsive, and it could tow whatever you need it to. Dual access doors, passenger side, driver's side, so again, all of that has been thought about. Fixed side steps from factory, and then the titanium, you have the upgraded wheels as standard. From the driver's point of view, these are an incredibly comfortable vehicle to drive. You've got the ride height, the visibility, the engine, everything about them means they're just an absolute joy to drive, which is why the people who do have them tend to put plenty of miles on them. But this one is quite the opposite. So 23 registration, 11,485 miles to be precise. Lots of spec as standard, heated seats in the front, obviously the middle row of climate control I've touched on. Your Apple CarPlay or Android would take over the infotainment screen for whatever navigation and media needs you need. The cruise control you have as well, again, perfect for long journeys, but it's just the main reason that you would buy this particular Tourneo Custom is condition and mileage. If you have a look at the others, they go hand in hand, 70, 80, 90,000 miles. They're going to be worn in areas, aren't they? But this at 11,000 miles, it's just absolutely ready to go. Great gearbox, great engine. It's been very well kept. The colour I like as well, with being Moondust Silver. So they are very, very hard to come by, and we find some very difficult cars to find. But this, for me, whoever sees this video and has been looking for something like this will instantly buy it because there's no others out there to go and buy. Perfect 8-seat Tourneo Custom, long wheelbase. Absolutely everything going in its favour. So if you've been waiting for us to get something like this, or if you're new to us and you've been searching for something like this, then please pick up the phone. Don't hesitate, because once this one is gone, where am I going to find another like that? So if you are interested, give me a call on my mobile number. My name is Paddy, and I look forward to speaking to you.